लर्न विथ रजत को आपको स्वागत। आज हम देखा कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी 30 मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जेटी एग्जाम पाई। द टर्म कंप्यूटर इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम डैश लैटिन। हु इज द इन्वेंटर ऑफ डिफरेंस इंजिन? ऑप्शन बी चार्ल्स बैबेज। हु इज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर? चार्ल्स बैबेज। हु इज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस? एलन टर्निंग। हु इज द फादर ऑफ पर्सनल कंप्यूटर? एडवर्ड रॉबर्ट। A CPU contains, option C our right answer, a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? Option A our right answer, user interface. The first computers were programmed using, option B our right answer, machine language. Dash is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. Option A our right answer, network. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called passwords. Which of the following statement is true? Option A right answer, mini computer works faster than microcomputer. You organize files by storing them in, option B right answer, folders. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Option A right answer, printers. Which device is required for the internet connection? Option B right answer, modem. What is a light pen optical input device? UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer. CD-ROM stands for Compactable Read Only Memory. ALU is Arithmetic Logic Unit. VGA is Video Graphics Array. IBM 1401 is a second generation computer. MSI stands for Medium Scale Integrated Circuits. The capacity of a 3.5-inch floppy disk is 1.44 MB. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Reader. EBCDIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Which of the following is a part of the Central Processing Unit? Option D have right answer, Arithmetic and Logic Unit. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Junk email is also called spam. Hackers, option B have right answer, break into other people's computers. What type of computers are client computers most of the time in a client server system? Option C have right answer, microcomputer. Thanks for watching.